rebalance when the markets are down. So we talked about having a set percentage of stocks and a set percentage of bonds. I'm really simplifying the concept here, but let's say you have a 50-50 portfolio, and then the stock market goes down 30%. This is your stock bucket. Whoop! Now your portfolio looks like this. And maybe your stocks are now 40% of your portfolio, and your bonds are 60. But you're trying to keep that stock percentage at 50. So what you're going to do when the stocks are down is you're going to sell off some of your fixed income and you're going to put them into your bonds to rebalance.
Wait, you want me to buy stocks when they're down? Are you crazy?
Hello, what did the chart did I just show you?
Yeah,
Yes.
I get it. That's what you have to do.
But that's a really hard thing to do in reality. When, remember back to the pandemic when our portfolios were down and we thought we were going to perish. You're going to go put more money in the stock market at that point?
Yeah, back in 2009 when this was going on, we were rebalancing people and buying more stocks when they were down. I did it for my mom. She called me up. What are you doing buying more stocks? I'm like, Mom, the markets are down. You know, this is what's happening. I'm calling the police on you. Don't you know the stock market's going to zero? I'm like, Mom. And, I said, Mom, no one's ever said they were going to call the police on me. And you're my mom, but she just was so emotional. It was understandable.
Good point. So I've heard this a few times. And I think probably this is the financial forum. So maybe you know better. But a lot of people will say, well, can my stocks go down to zero?
Yeah.
If you hold 2 or 3 companies, maybe. Unlikely, but maybe, right? Enron went to zero, Eastman Kodak went to zero. That could happen. Yeah. If you're diversified, that would basically mean the fall of capitalism as we know it for your stocks to go down to zero. So keep that in mind as you're watching things fall. The biggest declines we ever see are around 50%, and they're temporary. So you know it's not going to go to zero if you do the right percentages that we talked about.